Premium automotive accessories begin with an obsession for detail. We designed this high-quality trunk table specifically for the Tesla Model 3 Highland. Our R&D is based on industry-leading precision data. By performing a high-accuracy 3D scan of the trunk structure, we ensure every finished unit achieves an OEM-level exact fit. From data to digital model, we focus on structural stability and functional reliability. This is more than design. It's a commitment to quality that delivers a premium solution. Utilizing highly durable, industrial-grade materials and produced via perfect mold tooling, we deliver a professional product that is uniformly standard, robustly reliable, and market-ready. Non-destructive installation, instantly in place. Thanks to the initial precision design, the table fits the trunk perfectly flush. No wobble, no rattling, demonstrating superior manufacturing accuracy. Regardless of the usage environment, its superior load-bearing capacity and stability offer reliable support for your customers. It elevates the trunk into a multifunctional, high-value usage platform. Partnering with us means choosing high-standard design, dependable quality, and stable bulk supply capacity. We offer a trustworthy, premium option for your Model 3 Highland accessory business. We welcome your bulk order inquiries.